What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger because we're doing a modification. So as you can tell from the title, from the thumbnail, a company sent out a modification for us, and I'm very, very excited. So the Tacoma's all the way down there. I'm letting it warm up. We got to bring it up here, and then we can start with the installation. All right, cool. So now we got the truck pulled up. We got to get the area prepared. All right, so this is going to be in a different video. You guys may be thinking this is absolutely crazy. What the heck is going on here, Aing? So this is it. Yita motor. That's what I'm going to call them. I think that's how you pronounce it. Y-I-T-A-M-O-T-O-R. Yita motor. I have collabed with this company before. They hooked it up with some all-weather floor mats. Made a review on them. They held up great. I loved them. I took care of them. And I still actually have them. Now we're going to try out a bed cover. A tonneau cover. I don't know how you say it. Believe it or not, this is the first time I'm using a truck bed for actual truck things. Let me get my knife. As of right now, packaging actually looks pretty good.
Ooh.
Bada boom, bada bing, baby. I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. I don't know. This is going to be my first ever tonneau cover. First ever installation video. It may work. It may not. I have no idea. I'm hoping it does. I'm assuming this is going to be additional equipment, which we're definitely going to need. This is the assembly instructions. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, just because I usually can wing it myself, but I don't know if I can this time. So I believe in here are going to be the clamps that I'm going to need. I was actually worried about this. I didn't see it in the description, so I was like, dang it, am I going to have to, you know, do it myself? No, I'm not, because it's all here. It's all included, so that's good news. Allen wrench and your 4 brackets. I believe you have to take these off, so I'm just going to take them off for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, cool. So you want to get this on where you want to get it, and then you unfold it just to make sure everything adds up. Unfold it real quick. Unfold it one more time. You good, baby? Figure out how you like it, then fold it up. Once you have that done, then the next step is to get these little clamps in. Now, I tried to figure it out on my own. I freaked out. Sandy was actually my helper here. You have to loosen these. You'll see here, it'll have these little screws that won't let it slide in properly. You have to use the, you know, the key that they've provided. Make it so that it's flush on this side. And then when you bring it over here, it'll slide through no problem. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and tighten it up and it won't move. That is that. Once you get those in, you're gonna wanna find where the bed mat lies, and these little clips are gonna come down and then they clip up fairly easily. Let me just show you guys here. You unclip it like that. It's gonna be up like this originally. Just pull it down. If you have to loosen it, you can. If you have to tighten it, you can. Once it's up like that, this bad boy ain't going nowhere. That's pretty much it. There's really 3 steps to this installation. Number 1 would be getting the tonneau cover on the truck, folding it up how you want it. Make sure it lines up perfectly. Once you have that done, you're going to want to go ahead and install the bed rail system. Go ahead and put them where you need them to be. Tighten it up. Once you have those tightened, make sure they can't move at all, because, well, that would be a bad day. It's going to be like that. Once you have that done, you just go ahead and put this bad boy in and you are good to go. Call me crazy, most modifications have like a million steps. I'm actually very happy. If this is your first time installing a bed cover, I will say have some patience, don't get frustrated. It took me around an hour and 20 minutes to get it installed with some help, but if you take your time, you watch this video, you'll be able to do it in no time. It's a very simple process, and well, like I said, it's not very difficult at all. Cool. So I want to say thank you to Yita Motor for sending out this item. I definitely appreciate you guys reaching out, sending this over. I think the tonneau cover is perfect. I think the quality is there. I have seen some up to $800. I have seen some for $100. I think this is perfect at around $200 and some change. If you're in the market for a bed cover, this will be linked down below. I would advise you buy this one only if you want to have an exact setup tutorial. If the other one comes with a setup tutorial, cool, go for it. But I recommend this one just because of the simplicity, the function. You can see it fits very, very snug across here. You can't put your fingers in, which I like, because hopefully when it rains, it doesn't get my items too wet, which this is the main reason I wanted it, just because, well, I didn't want my stuff to get wet. It also makes the truck look a lot better. I don't know, it just blacks it out, I guess you could say. I think it looks absolutely sick. Let me know what you guys think. I'm very happy with it. I think it came out great. Again, it's a very simple mod to do. I would recommend it for you and the fam. Check it out. It will be linked down below. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy. I'm Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.